Which SMLT resiliency feature uses the soft down option? Option A. Extended Control Packet Limit, XCP limit. Option B. Discards untagged frames. Option C. Simple Loop Prevention Protocol, SLPP. Option D. Virtual Link Aggregation Control Protocol, VLOCP. The correct answer is option A. A switch with Simple Loop Prevention Protocol, SLPP, did not detect a loop. What are two reasons this occurred? Choose 2. Option A. SLPP was not globally enabled. Option B. A premier license for SLPP is needed. Option C. The VLAN where the loop originated to the SLPP transmitting list was not added. Option D. Extended CP limit on the transmitting port was not configured. The correct answer is option A, C. SD configuration using the show MLTist info command, which IP address should be in the IP address column. Image. Option A. The IP address of the IST-VLAN on the local switch. Option B. The IP address of the IST VLAN on the peer switch. Option C. The IP address of the ISD on the peer switch. Option D. The management IP address of the peer switch. The correct answer is option B. A technician is configuring an Ethernet routing switch, ERS-D for the edge of the converged campus network. In-band communication to edge switch is a customer design requirement. Which two VLANs are acceptable VLANs to use for the switch/stack IP addresses? Choose 2. Option A. Default. Option B. Voice. Option C. Data. Option D. Management. The correct answer is option C, D,